Hi, hello to everyone. Welcome to my channel Deep Maths. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from previous SEMSET question paper. The question is the equation of tangent to the curve y equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at the point minus 1 comma 4 is. That means if you take the coordinate axis and if you take any curve, right? If you take any curve, whether it is a, let it be a curve, okay? If you take a curve and our circle is also a curve, no? If one tangent is touching this is the common point for both circle and this tangent line, right? So this is the point which is common to both the equation of curve and also to the tangent line. What is meant by tangent? It is a line segment, right? Like it is a line which is passing through a common point on the circle. We call it as a tangent. That means tangent is also a line and this is the equation of the curve. Both are having one common point, that is this. So if any of the equations are solved by this point, if you substitute this point in any of the equations, when you will get the answer 0, then that is the answer for this problem. So if you see from this, if you substitute minus 1 here, minus 13 minus 4, minus 13 minus 4, what you will get? Minus 13 minus 4 minus 17 minus 9 is not equals to 0. Next, 13 minus 1, 13 into minus 1 is minus 13 plus 4. What you will get? Minus 9 you will get. So minus 9 not 0. Here if you substitute 13 into minus 1, minus 13 plus 4, minus 13 plus 4, 13x plus y plus 9 equal to 0. 13 into minus 1 plus 4 plus 9 equal to 0. Minus 13 plus 4 plus 9 equal to 0. This you will get minus 9 plus 9 equals to 0. So this will be the answer. Understood? Tangent is a line equation. Line, right? Equation of tangent is an equation of a line and this is equation of the curve given. So both will touch at a common point. It is given in this form minus 1 comma 4. That means if the equation of tangent is solved by this point, if you substitute this point in any of the equations, you must get 0. Then that will be the tangent equation. Understood? This is some shortcut. Understood? If you have any doubts, please say that in the comment section. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Deep Maths.